Hello students, this lesson is for the students of DSC 3A, Introduction to Linguistics, and this has been taken from the lesson syntax, in which the topic clauses have been described to teach. Now I would like to start this chapter as the clause and the complex sentence. To understand the clause, we have a sentence: I met a man who was blind. We can divide this sentence into two groups. I met a man and who was blind. These two groups have been divided. Here we see that every group has a subject and a finite verb. These two separate parts are called clause. In another word, we can say that clause is a group of words which forms part of a sentence and contains a subject and a finite verb of its own. See the clauses of the sentences. As for example, you will pass if you work hard. It has two clauses. You will pass if you work hard. Second, if he comes to me, I shall help him. If he comes to me, and I shall help him. These are two separate clauses of this sentence. Its next example is he is better than Ram. He is better than Ram is. He lifted the gun, took aim, and fired. This sentence has been divided into three clauses. He lifted the gun, he took aim, he fired. And the fifth example, he writes as fast as possible. He writes is one clause, as fast as it is the next clause. Clauses are of two types: principal clause or main clause or independent clause, and the next clause is subordinate clause or dependent clause. Principal clause, the clause which completes its meaning on its own or without the help of other clause, is called principal clause. As for example, I saw a man who was blind. In this sentence, I saw a man is a principal clause. Next, the subordinate clause. The clause that depends on the principal clause to complete its meaning is called subordinate clause. As for example, in I saw a man who was blind. Who was blind is a subordinate clause. It means the meaning of this clause depends upon the principal clause. Subordinate clauses can be identified with the following conjunctions also, as for example, as if, as though, as much as far as, after, according as soon as, although, before, because, how, if, lest, provided, that, since, so, that, than, though, till, until, unless, who, which, whose, whether, while, when, where, what. Some examples are solved here. First, I lost all that I had. In this sentence, I lost all is the principal clause. That I had is a subordinate clause. Its next example, wait till I return. Wait means you wait, is a principal clause. Till I return is a subordinate or dependent clause. If you go there, you will find him. If you go there is a dependent or subordinate clause, or you will find him is independent or principal clause. All that glitters is not gold. All is not gold is principal clause. That glitters is dependent or subordinate clause. There is truth in what you say. There is truth in is a principal clause. What you say is dependent or subordinate clause. Its next chapter will be done in the next class today.